Combined control group exists of three or more organizations. Each is either a member of a parent subsidiary or a brother-sister group. And at least one organization is the common parent of a parent subsidiary group and is also a member of a brother-sister group. This gets a little more intricate, and here's an example. X owns 80% of Y, Veronica owns 60% of X and 35% of Z, Jeff owns 40% of X and 45% of Z. X, Y, and Z are members of a control group because X and Y are parent subsidiary control groups, and X, as a parent of the control group, is also a member of a brother-sister control group with Z. So the first action step would be to get ERISA counsel if you're questioning whether your group is a control group or not. But when it gets that particularly intricate, it's always best to seek an ERISA attorney or outside ERISA counsel and have them make a determination, because it is confusing, and this is perhaps an oversimplified reiteration of the regulations. So action step number one is consider ERISA counsel. Number two, confirm whether or not your company is a member of a control group or an affiliated service group. Also, be aware of acquisitions and merger, as they can oftentimes change the control group as well. Now we're going to talk about affiliated service groups. Affiliated service groups are treated the same as a control group, even though it's a little different type of situation. There are three types of affiliated service groups. There's an A organization test, a B organization test, and a management organization test. Some red flags that indicate that you may be a member of an affiliated service group is, first off, that there's common ownership, but not control to the extent of a control group. One of the organizations provides services to one of the other organizations in the group. That's where the designation of affiliated service group comes from. They have to be affiliated, and one has to be providing services to another. And whether it falls into this category or not is determined by to what extent those services reach critical mass in terms of revenue for the other company. And a service organization can be in the areas of health, law, engineering, architecture, accounting, insurance, consulting, and many others. But these are the most typical. I'm sure you can understand how you know an engineering company that may own an accounting firm. Well, you may want to look into whether that's an affiliated service group or not, assuming that accounting is getting any kind of significant income from the engineering firm. Okay, if that revenue is feeding to the engineering firm for the services to that extent. One organization provides management services to the other, and that's this service. Some sort of management services, including accounting, insurance, consulting, etc. So the action step is to really seek legal advice on this one from ERISA counsel, because it does get intricate.